Hello guys, my name is Parv Yadav and welcome to our channel. So today I'm going to show you the one website where we have to publish our article and blog. So I can going to show you the one website. The website name is bitlanders.com and I can show you the website authority and the traffics. So you guys are able to see this website having a 46 domain rating and I can show you the traffic. So this website having a 67k total visitors and the traffic from USA, Philippines, Jersey, India, and UK and other countries. So if you guys can want to attract a audience and want to drive a traffic from that kind of country, so you guys have to publish your article and blog from targeted any kind of countries. Okay. So we have completed the research process. Now we can going to move forward for the sign up. How we have to do. So you guys can see this is a website interface. I have already signed in this website and I can show you the process how you guys have to complete your sign up process. So this is the website homepage interface and where you guys have to okay. So once you guys can click, then you guys have to select your targeted country, then you guys have to add your date of birth, then you guys have to click for the submit, then they can give you a terms and condition, then you guys have to accept it if their terms and condition. Sorry, for this website terms and condition you guys have to accept, and now we can accept again. We have clicked a new one, then we have to proceed normal verification. You guys have to do these things for the sign up. We have completed. Now they can ask us for the again new things. Then you guys have to add your username, email ID and password. Then you guys have to click. Then this website can allow to then you guys are able to create your profile on that website. I'm not doing this for my personal Gmail ID because I don't want to do these things for my personal email ID. So that's why I'm just show you the process how you guys have to what was the process for the sign up. Okay, so now we can going to move forward. Then once you guys can complete your sign up, then you guys can optimize your profile, and after that there is an option you guys have to click for the plus button, and there is two options to write a blog or build a chat. So we can click for the write a blog where we can going to add our title. For the content I have already created this content for the, that's why this website this video can not going to take a lengthy. So that's why I have already created a content. Okay, so I going to add my title, then you guys can add a image. I have already created a image. Where is my image, man? I have already, okay, let me check. Okay, we can copy from home. Okay, 12:10. Yeah, this is my image we have created. I think this is saved on my cloud, so that's why I can't able to find on a download section. So once you can add your banner image, then you guys have to click for the confirm button, and now we can once, okay, yeah, and where we can going to add our content. So I can copy my all the content, then I can going to add over there. So we have added, we can modify, heading to, heading to, sorry, we can convert into heading 2. Just it This video can take a couple of time for the content optimization, for the who is for my content writer can generate like that content. He is segregating the titles for the using hashtags. Yeah. Okay, for the star section I can convert into bold tag, convert B. For the conclusion we can choose a heading h1, heading 1, because guys for the conclusion, because conclusion is a overall content, a summary, so that's why we are using a conclusion for the h1 tag. That would be if any can crawler can land our article, then they can highly focus on the conclusion section where we have the this is a total summary of this content. So that's why we can use the conclusion tag, h1 tag we can consider on a conclusion for the h1 tags. Okay, so now the time for the internal linking. For the linking, group of company, we can take a link for this, targeted in a new window. Yeah, we have added a one link, many organization managed, and group of companies, key organization, holding company. Okay, company group of multi benefit, and I can also the internal link. I can add my internal link with the best managed company. We can found the content if is there any managed, there is no managed. Group of multi benefits, group of mutual benefits managed company. We can add a link because I wanted to add my previous article URL, because if this URL can crawled, okay, crawled our index, that would be the benefit for the going for the previous URL can going to index, probably chances to index. Okay, so that's why I'm using my previous previous published article URL for the internal linking. Okay, more companies, projects, long term. Okay, group of companies, group of multi-fated company. Yeah, I can going to add one more. Okay, succeed a group of companies, governments to board directory, making a strategy decision, holding a company's group of okay, corporate CEO, okay, shareholders meeting and other things, holding company, risk, benefits, economics of okay, conclusion, group of multi-faceted company, okay. There I can add a one keyword. Multi-faceted. Yeah, so we have done our internal linking. We can going to add a tag. We have added a tag. Okay. Can we add another tag also? Group of companies. We can only add a one keyword, one tags. I don't know how we can add a multiple tags. If you guys can have any idea, then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And now we can going to proceed for the submit for review. Undefined. What is undefined, man? Images. Add a chat. Video English. We have choose the English language. Edit block paragraph preview. Undefined. I guess is there a problem for the kind of article they cannot accepting, so that's why I'm facing the problem for the publishing. So you guys can try, if you guys are able to publish your article on that website, then you guys have to share the your acknowledgement on the video comment section. And okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for my suggestion for this article submission, you guys have to share your thoughts on a comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me or help me something, so you guys have to hit the subscribe button and the like button, because these things can motivate me to create a rapidly videos for you guys. So if you guys can want to help me, so you guys have to share your thoughts on a comment section. And all, sorry, I'm just disturbed for this article. We have did I have completed the many process, then we are not able to publish our article, so that's why we are facing the problems. Okay guys, so bye bye, take care.